Let's bring you up to speed now with our breaking news story. This as the resignation of Speaker of the National Assembly, Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula, has now been confirmed, and part of the letter that she sent reads, today, the 3rd of April, I have submitted to the acting Speaker of the National Assembly, Letshisa Tsenodi, my letter of resignation as both the Speaker of the National Assembly and a Member of Parliament of the Republic of South Africa.
The Sunday Times reporting today that Mapisa-Nqakula allegedly solicited bribes amounting to millions of rand.
National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa is alleged to have solicited bribes from a contractor when she was Defence Minister. Hi, welcome to the Bongani Men's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. National Assembly Speaker and African National Congress member Nosiviwe Mapisa is alleged to have solicited close to 3 million rands bribe from a contractor when she was Defence Minister. UDM leader Bantu Holomisa reported the allegations to the police, and the case is still under investigation, says the investigation officer to the UDM leader during 2023.
Fortunately, the witness who blew the whistle has now come up in the open, and she has been cooperating with the investigating officers. And the evidence I handed over or tabled in the Joint Standing Committee on Defense is the same as I saw the papers today. So which means I was spot on to, after evaluating that report or that information, and I handed it over to Joint Standing Committee on Defense. The defense didn't do much because the chairperson, it was Mr. Somebody, what is his name? I forgot his name. But he was more interested in knowing the witness. And I said, no, why? Look at the content.
Was it Mr. Cyril Kaba?
Kaba, yes. So I could see that he was more pushing the ANC's policy, that of always putting or protecting their own instead of looking at the interest of the country.
The investigation officer recently reported that the investigation is complete. For the first time in the democratic state, the Speaker of the National Assembly will be arrested for allegations of crime. The UDM leader adds that the Speaker will be impeached by Parliament to protect the dignity and the honour of the House.
The Sunday Times reporting today that Mapisa-Nqakula allegedly solicited bribes amounting to millions of rand from the businesswoman you are talking about. The paper quoting Nqakula admitting to not only knowing her, but also having met her. And so, based on that very document that you had submitted to the committee, do you believe, on the strength of the allegations contained in that document, that this is going to be very damaging for the Speaker of Parliament? Because that's what Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula is today. She's a Speaker of the National Assembly.
Koli, let me keep it short and to the point. After the Speaker said, if I have a problem or complaint, I should approach the police, I reported the matter to the police. The police investigating team, the investigating team did come to my offices to take a statement. And indeed, they have been keeping me informed. And I guess the main complainant is also being kept informed. According to the report I got from the investigating officers, the investigation was finished last year around October, and they had told me that anything can happen from now. Later on, I inquired from them this year, and they told me that they are ready, they are looking for him, they are going to arrest her this year.
The Speaker is no stranger to controversy. The Democratic Alliance have requested the Speaker to be investigated over Secretary to Parliament's secret of 4.4 million salary scandal. The Sunday Times has revealed that despite the position of the Secretary to Parliament being priced at a maximum of R2.6 million, the incumbent, Mr. George, earns over R4 million. This is almost double what the Speaker personally committed to in the National Assembly when the appointment was made and the decision was brought before the House. The executive authority, both the Speaker of the NA and the NCOP chair, should both be investigated for misleading Parliament. The nation is not surprised anymore by corruption allegations against African National Congress member. Thanks for watching the channel. See you on the next video.